Filipinos in Dubai who have passports that are about to expire, watch this video guide to learn how to renew your Philippine passport. Hello mga kabayan, my name is Ed of DubaiOFW.com, and one of the most popular articles on my website is how to renew your Philippine passport at the Philippine Consulate General Office in Al Qusais. I'm creating this video to help make it easier for you to understand the requirements and the procedure. First things first, make sure to check the validity of your passport. An advisory from the PCG Dubai states that you should renew your passport before 10 months of expiration. The reason is that there are plenty of people booking an appointment online and it is a bit difficult to find an available schedule. It also takes about 4 to 8 weeks to process your passport. So it's very important that you book an appointment 10 months before your passport expires. Also, take note, UAE authorities in some countries require you to have a passport that is valid for 6 months so you can process visa applications. So you might not be able to travel to other countries if your passport will expire in 6 months or less. To book an appointment, you have to go to the PCG Dubai website. Remember that there will be no walk-in applicants except for special cases, but for the rest of us OFWs, we have to go through the regular process. We will need to register if this is your first time by creating an account and then logging in with your details. I have already registered an account before, so I'm just logging in now to access the calendar. Here you go. You click the book a new appointment and you have to wait for available appointments. Now if there's an available appointment, it will show up in the screen. Ideally, you should book the next available appointment before somebody else does. It says here that there is one date available for July, but upon checking other dates, as you can see, I'm trying to check the other dates and it doesn't show any available schedule. So you have to really check back from time to time for the next available schedule, or if somebody has canceled their appointment, so you can take that spot. Okay, so once you have an available schedule, you just need to fill in your details and then click save. Then you will receive a confirmation email of the appointment, which you need to print out upon appearance. So once you already have an appointment, the next step is to go to the PCG Dubai in Al Qusais 3 and make sure that you bring the following requirements shown on the screen. Take note that the printed confirmed appointment should also have that QR code, as this is a new requirement that they implemented. Once you are at PCG Dubai, there will be a few more steps which may take about an hour, and this includes going to the passport processing area, paying the cashier the processing fee. Currently it's at 240 dirhams, and then proceeding to the encoding area so you can provide your important details as well as for them to take your passport photo. So after you're done, the next step is basically just to wait. According to the website, it will take about 4 to 8 weeks, but sometimes it can be earlier. So you have to visit the PCG Dubai website, as they normally post the list of released passports available for pickup. Once you find your name, you can proceed to the consulate and head to the passport releasing section. You will present your original receipt with the reference number as well as your old passport so you can pick up your new passport. So this is the overall process of renewing your Philippine passport in PCG Dubai. For more information, I have written a detailed post about this topic in my website located at DubaiOFW.com. I will provide the specific link in the description. I hope you found this video useful as I plan to create more tutorials and tips for OFWs as well as other expats in the future. If you have the time, please do subscribe to this channel to easily get updates to new videos. Thank you again and have a good day.